HowExpert Guide to Watercoloring is a complete 39-day step-by-step system designed to help everyday people learn watercolor in a clear, structured, and practical way. Built around the watercoloring system, it removes confusion and guesswork and guides you through a logical progression of essential skills, from water control, timing, and brush handling to clean washes, color mixing, edge control, light and value, and texture techniques. You learn to paint landscapes, objects, materials, people, and full scenes, leading into a complete guided painting. Each lesson is supported by 250+ step-by-step illustrations that demonstrate every stage of the process. You gain control of water and paint, manage color and light, and create finished artwork with clarity and control. Introduction. Understand the tools, setup, and how the watercoloring system guides your 39-day progression. Chapter 1. W. Water Control Fundamentals. Days 1 to 3. Master wet, damp, and dry stages, timing, absorption, and clean wash control. Chapter 2. A. Applied brush and wash techniques. Days 4 to 6. Develop confident brush handling, flat and graded washes, and controlled variegated blending. Chapter 3. T. Theory of color, days 7 to 9. Mix clean primaries and secondaries, control temperature, and build harmony with limited palettes. Chapter 4. E. Edge control and transitions, days 10 to 12. Use hard, soft, and lost edges to create focus, hierarchy, and depth. Chapter 5. R. Rendering light and value, days 13 to 15. Build form through light direction, core shadows, midtones, and transparent layering. Chapter 6. C. Creating texture and surface effects, days 16 to 18. Apply dry brush, lifting, corrections, and simplified surface patterns. Chapter 7. O. Organic subjects and natural forms, days 19 to 21. Paint leaves, flowers, and fruit with structure, variation, and depth. E. Chapter 8. L. Landscapes and light, days 20 to 24. Create skies, trees, distance, water, and reflections with atmospheric control. Chapter 9. O. Objects and optical effects, days 25 to 27. Render everyday objects and materials such as glass, metal, wood, and fabric. Chapter 10. R. Rendering people and figures, days 28 to 30. Construct figures, model faces, and suggest movement with clarity and economy. Chapter 11. I. Intentional composition, days 31 to 33. Strengthen shape grouping, focal points, and visual flow across a page. Chapter 12. N. Narrative and scene integration, days 34 to 36. Combine figures, objects, and environments into cohesive, meaningful scenes. Chapter 13. G. Growth and guided mastery, days 37 to 39. Plan, execute, and evaluate a complete watercolor painting step by step. Conclusion. Reinforce core skills, assess your growth, and build a consistent path forward. Appendices includes a watercolor glossary, structured practice prompts, tools and materials reference, growth resources, and frequently asked questions. HowExpert Guide to Watercoloring is a complete watercolor learning system designed to help you improve steadily through guided repetition and structured practice. Each day builds on the previous one, so skills develop logically, making progress feel clear and achievable. Start your watercolor journey with the 39-day watercoloring system and approach each subject with clarity, control, and intention. Complete a finished painting by the final project and gain the skills to continue improving on your own. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.